In this video, we are going to learn how to customize our Windows 10 taskbar. So let's go and do it.
Okay, we start from our left corner part, which is our start menu. So what we have in here, okay, I click that and you will see, for example, in here we can put applications. For example, let me click and pin it to a start. Pin to a start. When I pin that, as you can see, our Google Chrome is added in this place. And if I want, I can right click, then okay, for example, unpin from start. I can unpin all of the things, for example, create new arrangement and these type of things. So this is the first thing we can do. Okay, but if you again go to this start menu, okay, and press the right click, okay, you will see many options. Okay, for example, setting, which if you want you can go in here and type, for example, settings. Okay, but with a simple click you can go on that. Okay, is arranging lots of data in that, for example, power options. You will see many features in here. Okay, if you don't want to, for example, search and do many things to find these things, you can go in here and choose the things, for example, you want. You can, for example, click on apps and features and you are going to this part with these things. Okay, these are first thing we are going to do, we watched. Then we have the search part. For example, types to search. I press that and then, for example, I search the apps that I want or the files. It will be appear in here. And sometimes if you want to search something on this Edge browser, you can see these C web results and is directly go to this web search. Okay, I right click, and if you don't see this search one, you can go in here, and if you want you can hidden it, we won't see it anymore. Or if you want you can press show search icon, just you will see the search icon. You press and the search appear. If you want you can say it as show search box, is better for me. Okay, I like this one. If you want you can change that. In here we will see Cortana. Cortana is a thing that, for example, you want, for example, let me check that is working or not. Hey Cortana, open Chrome. Okay, in this Windows it didn't work because I disabled that, but just with this one you will see Cortana. If you don't want to see the Cortana, you can disable this show Cortana button and it will be disabled. What is the task view? I click to this task view and you will see the apps that is open right now. You will see all of them. Okay, if you want you can close one of the apps that in here with this icon. You can create another desktop. As you can see we have two desktops right now. If you want you can create lots of other desktops, and with this thing you can remove that as desktop. And in here you will see your previous activities on these windows. Okay, this is another good option, which is task view, and I really like that. Let me jump to the another thing. Okay, again I pin the Chrome. I'm going to, for example, pin the Grove Music, this default music application for our Windows. As you can see, pin to taskbar. I press that and is pinned on taskbar. The difference thing between pin it on the taskbar and have it on the desktop is when you click with a simple click, the application it will be open when it is on taskbar, but when you have it on your desktop you need to double click. This is different. Okay, and I told this one If you want to unpin, you can right click and unpin from taskbar. And if you want, you can change the location by dragging that icon. Just that. Let me unpin it. And another thing, if your taskbar didn't lock, you can change the size of the taskbar. Okay, as you can see, I can change it. But when I don't want this happened, and for example I set it as this one, then I press lock the taskbar. Right now I can't move or resize the taskbar icon. This is another thing that is good. In here on the toolbars, you can see the address, link, desktop, and new toolbar. Okay, address. For example, in here you will type an address and then press enter, and it will going to search it. I don't really like this thing, so I disable that. Again, in here you will see links. Okay, if you want, you can add a link to that, and it will going to open this link just for you. So I don't want this and disable that. In here you will see desktop. Desktop, it will be created in here. If you press on this icon, you will see all of the things that you have on the desktop, and if you for example go to this PC, you will see your drives and many other things. I really don't like this one, but if you want, you can add it. It is a good feature. On the new toolbar, for example, in this laptop I work with this folder most. Okay, I really, for example, most of the times I need to go to this folder and these things. I select that folder, and as you can see, when I click in here, I see the files that included on this folder. Okay, is a good way to have an easy access on that folder. Okay, I don't want that and I disable that. Okay, on the search one, hidden show text, I told all of these things. News and internet, as you can see, we have this one in here. If you don't want to see this news and interest, you can show icon and text. Show icon only, that's just the icon appear in here. Turn it off. Okay, it's turned off, we won't see it anymore. In here I told show Cortana. Show task view button, this is a task view that we told all of the things about that. You can enable and disable that. Show people, show Windows Ink workspace button, show touch keyboard button. Touch keyboard, for example, if you have a tablet which is touch, you can enable this option and type like that, for example, with this tablet. And show Windows Ink, let me disable the keyboard. Windows Ink, for example, you have a tablet which it has the you want to have, or you want to work with the whiteboard option of that, you can enable this part and go to the whiteboard tab. That and show touch keyboard button, I tell it show the desktop. Okay, is if many apps or many tabs open, show the desktop. If you press that, all of the tabs, it will be minimized. Or for example, we have another option too. In here we will have these folders. If you go in here and press this one, cascade windows, it will be arrange the open tabs in like this. And if you don't want, for example, show windows side by side is another feature, is going to show it side by side, and I change the arrangement of that to show it another way. Undo show all windows side by side. Press undo and this thing happened. Again, if I press in here, I will see the desktop. Okay guys, we learn how this Windows arrange the open tabs such as side by side one, and in the last part of the video, in the final part, we are going to see this part which is included here. This is show hidden item parts. Okay guys, In here you will see the things that you hide. For example, by dragging and dropping them on this taskbar, you will add them or have them in here. But if you don't want, you can send it on the hidden part. As you can see, for example, microphone in the hidden part and many other things. Okay, this is this one, and in here you will see your battery charge. And because my laptop battery, it didn't connect right now, it didn't connect to my laptop, and I removed that. Because of that, we won't see the battery charge. In here there is a LAN, the network access, internet access with the LAN connection. In here you will see time. You can, if you want, you can click and change that, and if you want, you can see how the Windows notifications, and you can enable and disable these things. Okay, both of these things that I told you in this final part, they have a video, just a video for themselves. For example, sound, it has video for itself, or I can say microphone, how to set up a microphone, it has another video just for itself, and they are all located in this playlist. So if you like this content, at first subscribe the channel, then watch the playlist from the first video until the video that is going to be published. um, I think this playlist, it will take 80 videos, and after that you can get your ICDL verification with the best result. Okay, this is a zero to hero course. This is a free course I created for all of the people that they can use this free course and have access to that for free and get the ICDL verification with the best result. Okay, I hope you like this type of content, so I will see you on the next video.